Welcome to DIMTIPS, the channel that repairs, revives and restores. Well, I've gone ahead and I've minted a meme coin, and the idea behind it is to really support the community that have watched all the various videos that I've put out in regards to helping people repair and revive various items. The idea behind it is let's find a way to help everyone within the community that have supported the channel, as well as providing a mechanism to support new projects. So there'll be new projects that I'll be kicking off. In addition, I will be providing airdrops for the various coins. It's been minted on 3 networks: XRP, Kaspa and Solana. Looking to potentially mint a few more on other networks, but we'll see how that goes. The premise is that I've effectively created 1 billion tokens on Solana and 1 billion on XRP, as well as 100 million on Kaspa. And then there'll be allocations with airdrops around about 10%, i.e. just to individuals that have supported the coin and anyone else within the community that and subscribers that are getting involved. So I'll be putting in items on my socials, whether that be X, Telegram and Instagram. 10% for any new projects, so trying to work out an allocation method to get individuals the elements that they'll need, i.e. funding to support a project. So I'll be working out a mechanism to help support them. 10% for like marketing, team advice and maintenance and so on and so forth. We've got a bit of strategy, burning approximately 30%, and then future projects will on DIMTIPS and the socials that I have. There's 10% allocation for that. The idea being is that I do want to give back to the community that have helped support, all the subscribers, all the followers and anybody that's helped watch the video. Also, if you want to support the channel in itself, this is one way to do a perform way of not just supporting myself, but also anybody that would like to partake in any future projects. So feel free to check out the website www.dimtips.com, and I'll be posting future videos just in regards to repair and revive, and then also recommending the coin should you wish. It's not financial advice. If you think that's good, please feel free to avoid it if it's not something that you want to do, but it is available. And thanks a lot for watching.